In this video, we will learn about the most frequently used conjunctions in the Kashmiri language. First, we will learn the meaning of these words and then use them in sentences. Let's start. Agar, if. Agarchi, although. Ama, but. BEYI, and. KATI, from what place. KHOATTI, then. KYAZIKI, because. Na, neither. NATI, else. NISH, in comparison or than. TOTAMATH, as far as. WINIY, immediately. WAEN, yet. Ya, or. YELI, in case. YEMI PATI, since. YODWAY, although. YUTAAM, while. YUTAAMATH, during that time. That. Let's make sentences using these conjunctions in Kashmiri now. Agar na su suli aav, temis khatra roz na kihin te khyan khatra. In case he does not arrive early, there would be nothing left for him to eat. Agarchi su aav suli, temis mule na khyan khatra kihin te. Although he came early, he did not get anything to eat. So suli amut, ama khyan khatra mules na kihin te. He had come early, but he did not get anything to eat. Or, he had come early, moreover, he could not get anything to eat. Ak aav su suli, BEYI mules na khyan khatra kihin te. One, he came early, and he did not get anything to eat. Ye kati pet cha amut? From where has he come? Ame khota kya agos amis melun? What should he have got than this? KYAZIKI yos na pura varias parane, ye gav examus fail. Because he was not studying through the year, he failed the exams. Az nata adkar. If not today, then when? Amis NISH kya achiyum pansa? What's this money for him in comparison? Or this money means nothing to him. YUTAAMATH na subna suli vaithe, TOTAMATH yin amis examus asal number. He won't get good marks in his examinations until he wakes up early in the morning. Megochi WINIY, I need this now. Tsizi kazi gok meinish dur. Why did you go away from me? Z in this sentence introduces a clause of purpose. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.